Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and in this video I'll try to explain to the best of my ability how the Fidelity accounts work, and I hope it's going to make sense to you. So let's go. So the first one that you're gonna see here is the brokerage account invest on your own. This one right here, it's a regular investing account. Stocks, ETFs, bonds, mutual funds, options. It's for anyone who wants to invest money you might need before retirement, so you don't have any age rules, no withdrawal rules, no minimum, no account fee, but the catch is that you don't get no tax advantage. So you pay tax on the gains and dividends every single year. Then you're going to find here the next one, and that's Roth IRA. So that's one is a retirement account you fund with the money you've already paid tax on. So it's great for younger people or anyone who thinks that their tax rate will be higher later. So you don't have any account fee or minimums to open the account. And the bonus is that the contribution can come out anytime, tax-free and penalty-free. The catch is that you don't get any tax break today, and there are income limits on who can contribute. But this one is great. Then there is a traditional IRA. So with the traditional one, it's a retirement account you fund before the tax, so it may lower this year's tax bill. So it's for the people who want the tax savings now, especially higher earners. And you don't have, again, no account fees or minimums to open the account. And then the catch is that you pay income tax on every dollar you withdraw later. So that's for the traditional one. The rollover is for those who are changing jobs, leaving a job, or getting ready to retire. So it's a place to move an old 401k when you leave a job. And then there are no costs like minimums or account fees. But important to say, there are no catches if done right. No taxes, no penalties, but compare it to leaving the money in an old plan first. So that's for the rollover. Then you're gonna have inherited IRA. So you're gonna come here for the retirement, and then you're gonna have inherited. So that's what it means, is that it's an account for someone who inherited the retirement plan from another person. So it's for the beneficiaries. And then you, again, no account minimum, no account fees. The catch is that you can contribute to it, and the withdrawal deadlines are strict. So it's great to have some kind of also professional. Now, the next one that you're going to find here for all accounts, you're going to have Fidelity Cash Management Account. So this is, what is it about? It's a checking style account inside Fidelity. Debit card, checks, bill pay. It's for people who want their spending money and investing money in one place. And there are no fees, no minimums, ATM fees reimbursed worldwide. The catch, it's technically a brokerage account, not a bank account. So you're not going to have any options or margin trading. Then there is a Fidelity HSA, so invest your health savings. How that works is that you're gonna have health savings account you can actually invest, not just spend. Anyone with a high deductible health plan, so there are no investment minimum there, no fees depending on the investments. The bonus, the best tax deal on this list, tax deductible in, tax-free grow, tax-free out of medical costs. The catch, you need the right health plan to qualify for it. Just something to know. Then you're gonna have the 529 account. So for that, what it means is that, say for education with tax deferred earnings, what this is, it's an education savings account with a tax deferred growth. It's for the parents, the grandparents, anyone saving for school. Okay, so that's for that. So no minimum, no annual fee. Use it for something other than education, and you pay tax plus a penalty on the earnings. So that's what for the 529 account is. Then you're gonna have the custodial. So that was like invest for child's future. For this one, it's an investment account you open and control for a child. So it's great for anyone who wants to invest for a kid without the education only restrictions. So you don't got no fees, no minimums, no contribution limits. The catch is the money legally becomes the child's at adulthood. They can spend it on anything. That's for the custodial account. Then there is a Fidelity Youth account. Set your teen up for financial success. How that works is that you're going to have account a teenager owns and runs themselves with parental oversight. Teens age from 13 to 17. No account fees, no minimum, invest from $1. It's a, in a way, a learning account. The teen makes a decision, but this is great for teenagers. Then you're going to have Roth IRA for kids. And how that works, invest for your child's future retirement. This is a way to help your child start the saving for retirement. For that, it's kids who have actually earned income, a job, babysitting, anything reported, no fees, no minimum. So you're gonna open the account for kids, but The catch is no earned income, no account. This is the rule most people miss. So if you want to have this, the kid needs to make money in some way. Then you're going to have the Fidelity Go. So with the Fidelity Go, you are going to find here important thing, invest with our help. So there you're going to have a robo-advisor, an algorithm builds and manages the portfolio for you. So it's for the beginners or anyone that doesn't want to pick investments. It costs like $10 to start investing, and it's free under 25,000, then 0.35% a year. So that's something that is the Fidelity Go that you need to know. Then you're going to have the managed portfolios. So that's the next one. So that's what you're going to find here. You're going to have it also for customized professional managed stock portfolios. So it's a professional managed portfolio of individual stocks with tax loss harvesting. People with a bit or more money who wants stocks managed for them. So the 5,000 investment minimum, 0.40% for index, 0.70% for actively managed. So higher fee than the robo-advisor, so it needs to earn its keep. That's for the managed portfolios if you like to have it. So the SEP IRA is the next one. So an easy to maintain plan for you and typically up to 4 employees. Now we're going to go for the more different category here. It's a simple retirement plan for the self-employed. So it's for the sole traders and businesses with roughly 4 employers or fewer. So no minimum, no account fee. The catch, you generally have to contribute the same percentage for every employee. So it can get expensive as you grow. Then you're going to have the self-employed for 01k. So that one designed for individuals with no employers other than the spouse. So it's a 401k for business with no employees except you and a spouse. It's for freelancers, consultants, owner-only businesses. No minimum, no account fee, has a Roth option. That's for that. The bonus is that you contribute as a both employee and employer. So the limits are higher than the SEP. So that's for that. Then you're going to have the simple IRA. So for that IRA, you're going to have a low paperwork retirement plan for small businesses. So it's employers with 1 to 100 employees, in no investment minimum, no account fees. The catch is that the employer has to match contribution at some level. Then the Fidelity Advantage is for employers up to 1,000 employees. So new plans may qualify for tax credits, and it's a one-time activation fee plus a quarterly admin fee. So it's not free like a retail account. Fidelity Crypto, so that's another one that you can check out for yourself. It's a Bitcoin and Ethereum trading in the same app as your stocks. So it's for people with a high risk tolerance, no account opening or maintenance fees. And you can see right here that you can actually see for yourself, start crypto, get crypto. And there the catch is that crypto isn't insured, so it's a registered security and doesn't get the protection that stocks do. That's very, very important to know about crypto, primarily like in this time when it's like very volatile. So then you're going to have the give more, save more. So how it works is that it's a charitable giving account. So for that, it's for people, anyone giving regularly who wants to tax timing to work in their favor. So the catch, once the money is in, it's committed to charity permanently. That's something that you just need to know. Then, of course, you're going to have the trust and estate accounts. So for these, it's a hold investment inside the trust. So you set up estate accounts are for the executor managing, and this is person investments, people doing estate planning or someone settling an estate. So you need the legal structure for that. So then you're going to have annuities. There you're going to find the 7 different types that you can see for yourself. So with this, it's people who want guaranteed income rather than market returns. And it's a cost minimum go from 5,000 to 50,000 depending on the type. The catch is that every guarantee depends on the insurance company staying solvent, and check the surrender charges before signing anything. So there, that's for that. Then you're gonna have the Fidelity rewards Visa that you can get. So when you're gonna like show you right here, rewards Visa. That's for that. Earn rewards through everyday spending. How it works is a credit card with an unlimited 2% cashback, no caps or expiration. It's for existing Fidelity customers who pay their balance monthly. The cost is that rewards drop straight into an eligible Fidelity account. So what I would recommend to do, if you're starting out, these are also like specified accounts that you can see here in the categories. What you need is a one brokerage account where you can continually invest by yourself. Then you're going to have the Roth IRA that tax free growth and withdrawals that you can get. and then you're gonna have the 401k at work. So this is not the financial advice, of course. Fears and rules can change, so that's something for you to know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you are going to have a great day, and goodbye.